number thamata shi de la je derang ku bi nyan ton jo je di ge nang la ngarang so go khala chomen la ya de ani tab de wo li la wo ani jimbo chi zo bien ani number thama tu ni bo chona ani man tha de zgrog na. Today I'm going to show you guys how you going to make the most easy and delicious chow mein step by step. If you enjoy, just stay with me and I'm going to show you. Welcome to YouTube channel The Nomad Boys. I live in San Francisco in the United States. In my channel, I will try entertain my viewers with a variety of videos. I hope to keep you entertained. Please don't forget like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you. When you're making chow mein, so you have to have soy sauce, and then you have to have salt, and then onion, garlic. But also you have the noodle is here. It's a ready-made noodle from you can get from Chinese store. Even you can go to ranch market or even you go to any Chinese store. So Chinatown. You can go there and you can get any stores very much. You can find this noodle. It's ready-made, but it's really nice. It's fresh and they cooked really nice. You put inside the boiled water after you open it. Okay, now you can put this noodle inside the hot water. Be careful because if you spill hot water on you, you gotta go to emergency before you eat your chow mein. Alright, so I use chopstick and just making sure they all not going to stick together. You can make with this noodle chow mein or ramen or like noodle soup, or you can make, you can use that anything. Sometimes I make a lot and can use for the chow mein, and then I can use for that any kind of like noodle. Oh, dinner ani this one ani nam yak pachik ni jak jakra ani chakam na jak jakna ani dig karla ko juma so chow mein zanim don chow mein pechu chi yore ani tipa zona ni tipa lamsang karla ko chu chaw zoni tipa jan so tin nalma dug jakra ani te yak yor kala lilhabo de ramde zo lilhabo jimbo yojo sa juma de sa Now you're going to put a little bit of oil. You can use any cooking oil, and then you just mix very nicely, and then you can keep that. If you don't finish in one time, it's not going to stick together, so it's really helpful. Oh, ani nam tis lugni ani dena tuk tuk ya potang grache te man ro charna ani jung manjar kamare ani jung ma pe ya poyor de te anda ya potur oh ta du ko fa chu ko ko te Aduh, sono un po' mia. Aduh, sta tutto. Aduh, devo fare tutto. Fai tutto, non tutto. Oh, tutto. Allora, facciamo un po' una 4 minuti. 4 minuti. Una fotografia. 저는 좀 더 거창도하다. 저는 이 진보 열다다 진보 열이. 항상 열다다. 나 직도 오는데 그런 오년 총총 직도 오르더라. 이게 갖다 좀 더 거두었다. 아니 동네데. 야다 프레시 단다랑 저조래다. 이거 차르게 이 갖다 되오 되게 좀 보여. Nomad Boys YouTube Classic Talk the Paper number Tamatash Telakje. Namingla Tinley Zerkio. Natanda Dasa, Shingari, Narde, California, San Francisco, Bay Area, Zesa de la Dekio. Kupi YouTube Classic Channel Talk. Jojin Ramanji Nyanton Zojin Yopi. Number Langi, Tuktowo Yongwi, Rewa Tang, Mondenjegio. Nyanton Muntani Zerona. Tuichena.